And we did get the answers. We did get the answers. 160 for the Jordans. Same color blocking as the one that I have. Or the Jordan 6s that I do have in my possession right now. $140 for cheap. And then $25. It is a size 10. You got these bad boys, Kyrie. Look, $25. What's going on YouTube? It's your boy Cool Kicks. We are back for another video. Out in Santa Clarita at the clearance store. Let's go see what's up, man. This place has been interesting. Let's go. All right, make sure you guys help your boy out. Make sure you press that like button. And if you're new, press that subscribe button. It is packed here for, you know, for this place. Because this place rarely ever gets crazy packed. All right, let's go to size 10, 10 and a half. Then we'll look around. Dude got Air Force One. Oh, how dare they? How dare they? These are no Air Force Ones, fools. That's jacked up, man. Blazer mids going for $40. These are SBs. Got some Go Fly E's. These are the ones you can put on and off. I've been looking for this in a size 12, hoping to find one. Dude got Jordan 37s. Go for $80. So I think these are cheaper than a lot of the outlets. I think these are cheaper than most outlets. Brackets Turbo Next Nature is going for $70. What are these? Zoom Flies? Zoom Fly 5s go for $80. Infinity Run Flyknits go for $80. These are all 10 and a half. Blazer mids go for $90. Vomero 16s go for $70. Got some Pegasus right here. 39s go for $60. That's cheaper than most outlets, I believe. Moved over to the 10s. Turbo Next Natures go for $70 here. Got some Golf ADGs go for $80. System 23s down to $50. These are the kind of croc looking things, and then they also have a booty inside. Zoom Freak 4s go for $60. White Cement 37, Jordan 37s go for $80. Nike by You Infinity Run Flyknits, kind of like a Charlotte colorway, go for $100. Air Force One down to $60. It's a solid price. Lakers colorway Air Force One mids down to $100. That's definitely cheaper than the regular outlets. Then Pegasus 40s, these just came out. The latest Pegasus design. And those are down to $60 already. Wow. Air Force One premiums. I don't think I've seen these in a while. These are the all corduroy version. Pretty dope materials. Also got the extra laces right there. These going for $130. Wow. Blazers down to $50. Check out the size 9.5s. Dude got some golf. Jordan 6 golf. These look freaking dope, dude. Yeah, I'm definitely a fan of that colorway right there. Don't really wear purple too much, or Bordeaux. Don't really wear Bordeaux that much, but yeah, $180 for those. Dude got LeBrons. Got some LeBron 9 lows going for $100. Pretty solid deal. Metcon Free 4s going for $50. More of these things going for $80. I mentioned I'm in the 9.5, right? Pretty sure I did. Dude got Core Purples. These are the Golf, obviously. But yeah, these are fire, dude. These are fire. $100. Wow. Those Golf significantly under retail because those are only $140. Dude got the Ice Shots going for $50. The Zoom Freaks, crazy color, we're going for $60. Air Max 97s going for $80. This is size 9. Dope price. Seen a few of these Air Force Ones now that they're priced at $90. Not really moving these to be $50 way back when. And then Air Force One Golf. Dude got some pine greens. These ones, man, these look dope, dude. I'm telling you, definitely decent for casual wear. $110. Pegasus 37s going for $60. Checking out the size 8. We got an 8.5 right here going with these Air Max 97 all white. Blazer Low Jumbo going for $50. Infinity Run Flyknits going for $80. Series, the Jordan Series 0.05 going for $40. I do see one of the campers who is here, but mostly regular customers, so their new pricing scheme does look like it cut down a lot of the camping, so that's definitely interesting. All right, let's go check out the bigger sizes. Size 11, we've been seeing these at the outlets a lot, going for $80. KD Tray 5 9s going for $40. Dang, that's cheap. Del Don's down to 50 bucks. Tempo Next Percent Flyknits. These are normally 2 bills down to 100. Phantom React Flyknits, 100 bucks or 70, my bad. Of course, we can't forget the Monarchs. I haven't seen this OG colorway in forever. $40, it's 11.5. Checking out the 12 now. Take one or one take 4 is going for 50. What is this? Oh, one of the same thing. Another one going for 50. Dude got these, the Phantom GT2 Elites. These are the $250 cleats that you see at a bunch of spots, going for 70 bucks. More Jordan 37s here, going for 80. Metcon Free 3s going for 50. Air Max 2090s in the size 13s going for 70. Haven't seen these in a while. ACG Mox 3.5 going for 50. Witness 6s going for 50 bucks. Air Max 90 Golf down to $60. That's a hell of a find if you're a size 13. Colorway's kind of, if that fits your style, that's what's up. Dude got some mid size 13. Have an aqua colorway. Yeah, but these are going for 100 bucks. So was that 25 off the retail? Nike by You Dunks. This slightly better leather. These are a high Nike Dunk High. But these ain't too bad. Going for 80 bucks, not too shabby. Tons of Air Forces available. They're, I guess, $20 under retail. Laker mids. Oh, these are flyies. That's why I was like, why are these so cheap? They'll go for 70 bucks. Look at how cheap they are. Holy cow. And for Big Feet Gang, 14s. $180 for the golf right there. Air Force Ones go for 90. All white. Blazer Off Courts, which are, these are the lows, but they're also canvas, $35. You got Zoom Free 4s going for 60. Invincible Run Flyknit 2s going for 80. That's a size 13. Air Force One Mid Quick Strike down to 70. Damn, one of the homegirls that watched my channel, she got some SB Dunks. I should have got that on video, but oh well. Sometimes I'd be aloof as hell, dude. But that's size 17, 160 for these. Size 18, extra Big Feet Gang. These are going for 100 bucks. Size 15 just got this type of stuff. Jordan Access going for 50. Monarchs down to 40. Vaporfly Next Percent size 14 go for 100 bucks. And then they have a bunch of extra big sizes, size 17 right here, go for 150. Right below that, dude got these for 80. These are size 18. And then Jordan 1 highs right there. What's the price for this one? What's the price for this? $150, size 17. All right, I see a bunch of people grabbing fire from the grade school section. See what's up with grade school, man. Fools getting Jordans left and right out here. Grade school, I saw someone carrying around Jordan 4 Thunders. Size 7 grade school, got some Lucas, going for 40 bucks. Air Max 97's going for 80. More Lucas, down to 40. Air Force Ones, saw this in Torrance, $40 here. More Air Max 97s, down to 70. If you have kids, man, this is where it's at. So it's at Jordan 1 lows right here. OG color blocking. Goes down to $70. I'm trying to remember what grade school Jordans go for now. Are they 100? 90? Got some 37s right here. Those are going for 70. Jordan 1 low golf. Oh, so this is a men's, but they put it in the grade school. I don't know what colorway that is. What Midnight Navy going for 110. Because that is a men's, that's why. These are pretty dope, size 5.5. Interesting colorway. Air Max 90 go for 70. You guys need performance shoes. These Jordan 37s are just everywhere. A bunch of different colorways too. 70 bucks. For these are all 6Ys. All right, not seeing much in the kids. I think all the heat's been getting scooped up. Do got these in the women's section right here. Jordan 1 lows go for 90 bucks. Air Max 90, this is size 12, size 10.5 men, $60. Definitely a steal. Vapor Max 2021s go for 100 bucks. Not bad. Jordan 1 Laneys, these are 9.5. These are normally what, 170 or 180? I don't know, but they're down to 150, so a few dollars off. Another one of these Laneys. These are size, what, 11 and a half, so size 10 men's, still 150. And got these mids right here, go for 100 bucks. That's a size 12 women as well. Do got some Air Force One Shadows down to $70. Dunk High size 10, 100 bucks. Size 9 Airmore Up Tempos. Wheat colorway with the women's, going for 80 bucks. Okay. Size 9. Dude, got these bad boys. These are freaking fire. $150. Size 9.5. So that is a size 8 men's. It's just a rustic pink colorway. A lot of Jordans available here. Okay. Size 9 women's right here. 90 for those. Ooh, got these things. Jordan Mules. The extra boxy looking slides. All EVA foam. $35. I don't know what the retail is on that. Jordan 1 lows. This is grade school though, isn't it? Yeah, this is a grade school. Going for 80. Someone just put it at the wrong place. Checking out the size 8. I think that's the most common women's size. Go for 100 bucks. Vapormax 2021 Flyknits. Some Prestos going for 70. Next Nature, the Pegasus Turbo Next Nature go for 70. We saw these pennies just recently at the Citadel, go for $80 here. Dude got Air Max 97. These are going for 80 bucks, all gold. Right next to that, 80 bucks for these as well. City Classic boots. Oh, this is what the one that my boy's looking for. I haven't seen one of these in the men's. This is the one he sent me a picture of. These are going for 60 bucks. Still got plenty of the slides. Got Rams. Is this the Phillies or the Padres? I don't know nothing about baseball. Still got a bunch of Niner ones. Got Eagles ones. These are all going for 20 bucks. Baltimore Colts, Washington football team. Oh no, they're the Commanders, right? They're changing their name again or something. Someone recently asked for socks. I think this is like the best place to buy socks. These are the lightweight no-show socks. $10, normally $20. Nike Everyday socks right here. These are youth though. $10. And these are down to $7 right here. The Everyday. Oh, lightweight. Oh, that's lightweight, and then that's just regular Everyday. So we are covering socks. Let's talk about socks right here. They do got a bunch of the. Are these the no-shows or the quarter length? I don't know. $15 right here. These are all grade school though. Okay, these are men's right here. Yeah, men's 12 to 15. Why are they all like huge or small? $14 down to 10. These are all 3-packs. They got socks on this side right here. These are all grade school too. Yeah, they don't have any. They're all grade school. I don't see any men's today, which is weird. Usually they have all kinds of different socks. Not today. All right, every time you come here, you do have to check the apparel section because this is my favorite spot for apparel. You got some fleece shorts. This is the really nice material one. Look at this. Oh my God, this is really, really good material. This is similar to the one that I saw at. The only thing I don't like about this is that, never mind. This is like super thick. I thought this would come off really easily. But these are going for $30, normally $75. One of my boys wanted one. I think he wears, they're not gonna have his size, of course. They only got mediums and smalls. Yeah, that fool definitely is not a medium. These are pretty long too. Not bad. Even I wear a large, same dude. Shorts, that is. So you got these going for 20. This is the one I was wearing all day today. I was wearing those earlier. Fleece shorts all going for 20 bucks. Not all of them. A lot of them go for 20 bucks. Hella cheap because these are normally $58 down to 25. And I think this is the one I have a hoodie that does match this one. 20 bucks, yo. $20. Damn. And then dude got the SB shorts that I bought last week. They're way too small for me. They're way too, and the price went down to 15 bucks. Damn, dude. I think I paid 25 for mine. And they're way too small. I can't return it, so I don't know. I'm gonna give it to the nephews or what? I don't know. They have a 36, only 15 bucks. It really wasn't the waist though. It's the way it fit. I don't know. I'll try it on here. Speaking of apparel, I did get this Nike hoodie here, normally $100 bucks. I think I got it for like $30. Just wearing some slides today. Long sleeve t-shirts pretty much being given away at $5. Random ones. Orange shirts going for $5. Got a deeper orange right here, JDI. Purple, green, more purple JDI shirts. $5, pretty much free. Speaking of free, look at these jackets. $10 freaking. Are you serious? $10. Do they even have any decent sizes? They're all small. They got mediums. Mediums going for $10, y'all. Pretty colorful, and that's not really my style. But for $10, holy cow. Normally $90 down to $10. That's insane. Wow. Really good place to find tech fleece on sale. $50. This is Nike Golf right here, down to $30. Normally $95 down to $30. 32. Got to be a little skinny for that though. If it fits you, good for you. That's what's up. Hoodies, like a gray and green hoodie, down to $20. More of these $10 jackets, all medium. Dang, some of this stuff is just hella cheap right now. This is definitely interesting. $29.99. That's a double XL. All right, definitely a bunch of interesting stuff. Yeah, I think I'm gonna wrap it up though. I come here again later on. I think I might try these shorts on. All right, definitely grabbing these for $15 to try it on. They're freaking fire, dude. All right, let's go.